Welcome to New College's inaugural bake-off between Sociology Department. In the pink corner we have Mr. Rob Tiley of the Black Forest Gatto. 5 minutes into the bake, Rob, how are things progressing?
Yes, I'm doing good, thank you, yeah.
Over here, Mark has finally printed off, wow, not got that far, his recipe. Slightly behind schedule.
All along.
How's the panic levels so far?
I've got a good coping strategy, so panic levels are going quite okay. I need to find a knife though.
In the judging corner, we've got some inspection of the scheme of work and lesson plans.
We're a bit worried about the lack of employability skills that are being put on both of these.
What? Lack of employability skills? I've got a dedicated entire section to employability skills.
I think there's a bit of slander. Please carry on. There's a whole list somewhere, I think. Oh. He needs a staple.
Well, judges aren't convinced by the lack of stapling, but 10 minutes in.
Catastrophe! Catastrophe!
What's happened? What does it say on the
The raspberries are gone.
Here we go. Take time to laugh uncontrollably at Mark's muppetry, for no doubt at this time he has dropped his ingredients.
Oven number 1. I'm a bit dubious about the cleanliness of these ovens. 2 in there.
Yeah, I was quite surprised you could
1 in there.
When you've worked in industry, you know you have to clean up as you go along.
So, Rob, are you feeling confident that your co-contestant is actually got his cake on the table this time?
Well, I am a bit, but it's because mine's more complex.
Of course, yeah.
Rob's doing a triple, you see.
Oh, I see. So there's. Oh, I can see it on now. Yeah.
Oh, like a pro. This is masterclass. I can't do this at all. Mine always ends up with a massive wedge.
A bit in the middle.
Oh. Moment of truth. Look at that. Smug ring for the camera.
Good plan.
Secret ingredient. Someone's done that before.
seat's dropped out, so you can replace it.
Oh, right.
Wow. That is amazing.
Well, it's not bad, is it?
That is amazing. Gosh. Yeah, everything else in place now.
No, the passion and commitment one, that was a difficult.
Passion and commitment.
Fine.
I promoted myself.
With Dave slice, if you flip it round.
Dave slice.
This is differentiation, yeah.
Oh, this collapsed.
Differentiation.